Friends, in this video, I will show how to fix error code 3008826 when updating Microsoft Office. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method. Click on Start, then search appwiz.cpl and open this setting. Now here, select Microsoft Office. Will change. Click on Yes. Now firstly, try by quick repair. So select this one and repair. So this repair method not work, so select it, and this time you have to select online repair. So this way you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.